Hey everyone, how's it going? My name's Harry. Thanks for visiting my channel today. Today I'm just going to do a quick little video to show you how to create a vignette in DaVinci Resolve. So let's just hop right in and get to it, okay? So here we are in Resolve, and I've got a clip of my friend Sean. He's a personal trainer. Just shot this a couple of weeks ago. And so I just did some quick grading on it. Not very much, just that's not the point of this tutorial, but I'll show you quickly how to do this vignette thing. So I've got my first node here. You're going to create a new node here. So if you right click, you go add node, add serial node, okay? And then down here, you'll see this icon here. It's a little oval with some things. Click on that, that's Windows. These are called power windows. So these are kind of, I don't know, masking shapes, I guess. But to create a vignette, you click on this little round thing here, and on the screen you'll see it pop up. You'll also see in the node over there, it's masked everything except for what's in the middle. So what you want to do is you want to take the inner little, whatever they're called, circle, and you just sort of drag it to the size you want. You can move it around with the center here. It's going to do that. So that's the inside white circle. Then the outside, these red little dots, that's to create softness. That's to feather it. So it's not just like, you can see in the little icon how harsh it is. It's just like a sharp circle. You don't want that. You want to get some feathering. So I usually just pull it right out. You can also do that with the, there's a thing down below here, softness, and if you control the softness, that's technically what it's called, Resolve. You can just drag that all the way out. And then you can see in the little node here, the power window node, that it's created softness. So that's just going to affect the inside of it. So what you want to do is over where in your little section here, you want to select this little box with a circle and you click it, and that inverts the selection. So now you're not selecting the middle, but you're selecting everything else. And that's how you're going to create the vignette. So I'm just going to go into my curves here, and I'm just going to pull down, and you're going to see the outside darkening. I'm going to just do a little bit there. There we go. So that's darkened the outside. What I do like to do next is I like to create what's called an outside node. So it works in conjunction with this. You kind of want to brighten up the inside. I mean, you can if you want, but this is what I like to do. So I right click on here and I go add node, add outside node, and that creates a node that is opposite to the vignette you've created before. So that's just affecting the opposite way, which is the inside. So since that darkened my image a little bit on the inside, I'm just going to go into my curves and pull it up a little bit. Just like that. And you can even go back into your window and resize it. And then you've got a really nice, then you have a really nice vignette. So if I turn these on with Command D, you'll see they turn off. And it looks good, but with this vignette, it really highlights them. And that's it. It's actually really easy, but it took me a long time to find a good video that showed me how to do it on YouTube. That wasn't like 10 minutes long. So hopefully this video helped you. Kept it nice and short because I know you're busy. So if you like this video, click the thumbs up and subscribe if you want, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Peace.